Okay, this is how I trade a 5K prop firm account phase 1. My name is Totliso and I'm documenting my journey to become a consistently profitable trader. If you enjoy this content, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into the vlog. So this is how I basically trade my 5K prop firm account phase 1, and I'm inside this trade. But when I analyze using the MagnaTrader 5 in a desktop, this is what I get. Alright, this is what I get. I see that the market never actually confirmed for me. I just see this right now, but I'm gonna hold it. It's still fine. If I hit stop loss, it's fine. But the thing is, if I lose on this trade, I'll basically then now lose all the profits that I made this week. I'm up to 3%. I'm up 3% on this account. I need to make 8%. So on this trade alone, I'm risking a little bit above 2%. All right, so if I lose this trade, I'm gonna lose 2%, but let's just trust that the edge plays out. So this is a red flag for me because this never actually closed above. I wanted this bullish candlestick to close above here, and then that's when I would have entered. I based my entries what am I saying? My entries were based on trading view. I analyzed on trading view. Let me switch to trading view. I don't know why these charts are not looking the same, but yeah, we're inside the trade, so let's see how it plays out. I'm also gonna show you what happened this week. I'll make a young trade recap where I will be showing you what's going on. So let me try to switch back to trading view. I'm looking for, okay, let me switch to this. All right, and then we go to trading view. So you can see that on trading view, this is the first touch that I saw, and then this is the second touch. This candlestick, it broke out this trend line to the upside, and that's why I entered right here. I was leaving a little bit late, that's why I entered right there, and then my stop loss is right here in hopes to target 1:2. So if this trade goes my way, it means I'll pass my phase 1 and then wait for phase 2. And yeah, let's see what loss are we floating. We're floating $60 loss, right? We're floating $60 loss. I hope this thing just reverses and goes up today. So we're risking $100 to be precise, $111, and then we're targeting $272. That's more like a 1:2 or 1:2.5, somewhere right there. And yeah, let me go to gold because that's what I traded. I want to show you the mistakes that I made and all that stuff, what I did right and then what I did wrong. Let me, okay, right here on gold, I did this previously. Last week I entered a trade here, and then obviously I was looking to target this high. Alright, I was looking to target that high. You see this horizontal line, I was looking to target there, but on Monday the market gapped up. I knew that the market had to come back down, hence I took my profits right here, and then yeah, I saw another setup right here. I entered here, but my stop loss was too close over here. You see that my stop loss was at this trend line, whereas my stop loss was supposed to be right here above this high. See this high, it was supposed to be above that high, targeting that low. So after I got stopped out, I lost profits that I made over here, and then I saw my mistake, and then I re-entered again, and then I exited here. exited there because of I was thinking the market might pull back, all right, but it actually went all over to the downside up until down there. So this is the trade that actually made me to sit on 3%. From here to there I was sitting on 3%. So if I hadn't lost this trade, I would have passed phase 1 already. Yeah, I would have passed my phase 1, but it is what it is, guys. I missed this trade also because this is not a high probability trade, right? I missed it. And on top of that, I wasn't at home because it was Wednesday night. Let me check the time, around 8. It was around 9. Yeah, around 8 it confirmed. Around 9 it went up. So at 9 I was just coming back from home sale. You know, I attended the home sale and it took long, and yeah, I would have bagged this if I took it, but this was a low probability because it's a reversal. Alright, it's a reversal setup for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to be patient and see what this has for me, so I'll keep you updated. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it and see what happens. Today it's also even Friday, so you know, when it's Friday, anything can happen. The market might consolidate to do whatever it wants. But based on this analysis that I see on my broker, not on my broker but on the prop firm, this did not confirm. So if this is a true setup, it means I have high chances of me hitting stop loss because this trade did not confirm, whereas on TradingView it did confirm. Let me check the EURAUD, what's happening on EURAUD, because EURAUD, if we have a setup on GBP AUD, EURAUD should also be showing me some sort of a setup or whatever. It doesn't have a clean setup. EURAUD, it really doesn't have a clean setup, so there's a high chances that I will use stop loss and end the day or the week on break even. So that will all be based on the market. I don't like how it looks like. I really do not like how this setup looks like. I don't know how. Why does it look so bad? It looks weird. I want something like this. This is way better. It did not confirm. This is a much way better one. But this one, it's ugly, man. It looks ugly. Look at my PNL right there. It is dropping, and I might lose $100. I'm halfway actually from losing $100 on this trade. So I'm just gonna wait and see what's going on. And oh guys, I wanna show you again because I'm on, let me refresh. I entered a trade on GBP AUD, so there's a high chances that this setup might be a loss because looking at AUD, it has more bars than GBP. Let me refresh again. It has more bars than GBP because you see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars, and then GBP it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. So yeah, that might be a loss because AUD it has more strength than the GBP. Yeah, it has more strength than the GBP. So because it's GBP AUD, because the AUD has strength, the GBP has to go down. The GBP AUD has to go down. So I might be taking a loss on that trade, and that will be really soon and sad. All right, it will be soon and sad. So let me switch back to it and let's just observe it. Yeah, as I said, you can see it is dropping, so I will definitely hit stop loss I'm just gonna let it hit stop loss and I can call it a week. I'll see you guys the following week. Let's just wait and see. Let's wait for it. There we go. Stop loss got hit, I guess. Yeah. See you on the next video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the journey of becoming or thriving to become or working to become a consistently profitable trader.